As investigations continue into the deadly shootings in El Paso, Texas and Dayton, Ohio, mental health experts are urging parents to have healthy conversations with their children about tragic events. Pediatric psychologist Dan Murillo with Children's Hospital says children and teens can experience fear and anxiety after witnessing tragic events, and it's important parents know how to help their children through it.
So how you cope and manage your own emotions about this goes a long way towards how your children are going to learn how to manage that. So be very mindful about how you're reacting. Maybe before you have that conversation with your child, you get yourself in a good place, where you can feel calm and comfortable talking about these difficult issues.
Murillo says it's important to talk with your children about what they are experiencing and seeing and to provide context.
Helping children learn perspective, that these are terrible and tragic things that we need to pay attention to them, but there's also a lot of good things that are happening in our world. I think it's really easy for us to slip into the mindset of everything is dangerous. We need to be mindful of our environment. We need to take reasonable precautions, but we also need to live. And we need to instill in our children a sense of, it's okay to go out and play. We're going to take care of you.
Murillo says caregivers should address young children versus teens in different ways.
With younger children, certainly preschoolers and early school-age children, they're probably reacting more to the anxiety of the parents and the adults around them. So if parents can manage their own feelings, their own emotions, their own fear, then that's going to go a long way towards helping that child. Because what a smaller child needs and responds to is safety. For older children, as children get older, they can actually use information, and certainly adolescents benefit from having information, but they need good information, and they need reliable information. So this is where, again, the adults can step in and put the news in a context.
Reporting in Birmingham, Cameron Edgeworth, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.